Hi, I'm Owen. I'm a marketing manager at Google. My job involves running big product launches, and a critical part of that process is being able to anticipate and mitigate potential risks. I'm going to show you one of the ways that I use Gemini to help out with running a complex product launch. It can identify missing dependencies, analyze the impact and risk of those gaps, and then make a timeline to help me mitigate them. Let's say I have a product plan for an upcoming launch, and I want to identify the gaps and potential risks. I'll start by uploading the document that has my initial timeline and a memo about the launch. Then I'll prompt Gemini with what I want it to do. My prompt includes a persona. You are an expert project manager. Some context. My company is launching a new set of headphones for content creators. I've attached a memo describing our launch activities and a workback plan that covers production and manufacturing dependencies. And the task. Are there any dependencies missing from the plan? So Gemini's found a few important missing dependencies building up to planned events, our partnerships, and our digital launch. I know that in-person events are one of the toughest things to move, so I'm wondering if this could affect the launch. I'll ask, let's focus on dependencies for the events. How do they affect the launch? Looks like missing dependencies could lead to event cancellations, which in turn will weaken our overall marketing plans. So let's ask Gemini to create a timeline listing key milestones for event production. Flag steps that may be missing from my current plan. All right, so now I have the missing steps added and it all maps to my overall launch deadline. Now from here, I could do the same with the other dependencies Gemini called out earlier and have Gemini create an updated launch timeline that I can double check and then share with my team. When working fast to plan a big project, it can be hard for me to quickly identify gaps. You really don't know what you don't know. And that's where I found Gemini can really help. It can review any docs you might have, then flag major risks, and then help you improve your plans for a launch.